Hello guys, in this video just going to explain how to fix this issue. If your PCSX2 requires a PlayStation 2 BIOS in order to run, for example, if you're trying to run some games, okay, if you're going to start some disk and if you're starting some BIOS, right, you'll be getting that error. So in order to add the BIOS, right, what you need to do is you need to go to tools and tap on this open data directory. You need to assign the path, okay. This is the actual your PCSX2 is lying here, and here we need to put this BIOS, okay. For example, if you're going to play this PlayStation 2 games, then we need some bin files. So you can search on the internet, okay, just search and extract this. We need to extract the BIOS here, BIOS files here, okay, and we need to directly place into the BIOS folder, okay. Do not put any inside the folder, it should be out of the folder. So system directly should access after this BIOS. So this is the one, okay. Here now if I'm starting the BIOS, it should work without any error. So that's it friends, is the way you can fix error. That's it friends, is the way you can fix the issue for your PCSX2. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback. Thank you. Bye. Take care friends.